Okay, doing a video review here on the Transformers Animated Deluxe Ratchet. He looks okay. He's kinda small. He comes with his tools here. Hammer, a couple of wrenches, and a screwdriver. People are wondering how to store these things in vehicle mode. Well, I've found out how by just pulling this down like so, and you just fit these here. No. Okay. There you go. All his tools stored away in vehicle mode. I haven't seen people do this in their reviews, but well, here's my take on how to store them in vehicle mode. You could even arrange them in some order here. Okay, just to compare the size, here is Deluxe Class Animated Bumblebee. Bumblebee here is a little bit wider. Ratchet is a bit longer compared to Bumblebee. Okay, on to Ratchet's transformation. We have to get rid of this first. And then, first thing I do, I just open this up like so. And then, oh, the legs drop off. Fold this up. Open his arms. Then pull it out. Then just open this again. Like so. Pull his arms out. Turn this 180 degrees. He has a gimmick here. When you put this all the way down, his head will pop out. There. And then you just push his stomach in. And there we have Deluxe Class Ratchet in robot mode. It's pretty nice. It turns out quite big. Ratchet has no head movements because of his head popping gimmick here, but you could rotate his arms 360 degrees. Could move in and out, bend at the elbows. You could move his torso like so. You could move his leg forward and back, in and out, rotate here, bend at the knees, has foot movement here. The EMP weapon, which Lockdown has, could be attached to Ratchet's arm like so, which will then transform into the blasters as seen on the animated series, which is a nice gimmick. When you move Ratchet's forearms up, spring-loaded action here for his tools. You can attach each of these tools here. So that he could use it and smash some things. Okay. You can store his tools behind Ratchet's back by just fitting them into place there. Like so. So that he could be displayed with all his tools stored. So here is Ratchet together with my other figures in robot mode, so that you can see how tall he is compared with others. He's about the right size when he is in robot mode. He's kinda small when he is in vehicle mode, but that doesn't take anything away from him being a nice figure. He is quite show accurate, aside from having this long panel here. He looks pretty much what Ratchet looks like in the animated series. Mine came without paint here. It's just white before, and I have to match the paint so that he would look okay, but it turned out good, so there's no problem there. Okay. Again, another sweep. My growing collection of animated figures. Okay. Thanks for watching.